welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. Naam to suna hoga. Now, Dubai is a city of superlatives, right? The tallest building, the largest mall, and the latest record to be made was that of the largest display of fireworks. This happened just on the 31st of December to welcome 2014. Ab jab tak 2020 nahi aa jata, tab tak Dubai is going to create a lot of world records. They're going to break some existing ones. So this city is only moving northward. Ab 2020 की bid जीतने के बाद से माना जा रहा है कि अगले 6 साल में the face of this city is going to change. See, in any case, Dubai has been a favorite with architects all over the world. This city can boast of some of the most complicated and most beautiful structures in the world. अब होगा ये कि 2020 तक यहाँ पर real estate boom चलती रहेगी, यानी कि यहाँ पर एक कंस्ट्रक्शन बूम आएगी. And to understand this construction boom better, we got in touch with the new face, the young face of Danube, which is the largest building materials company in this region, and we found out how they are looking forward to welcoming 2020. It's been a while since the celebrations began across the UAE after Dubai was voted the winner of the World Expo 2020 bid in Paris. A hard-fought victory, the UAE received 116 out of the total 165 votes. But this victory for the UAE was not the end. It was just the beginning of a long journey till 2020. As we inch closer to Expo 2020, markets are going to see a boom, especially in the real estate market and subsequently in the building materials market. And when it comes to building material, there's only one name that comes to mind: Danube Buildmart. Danube Buildmart is the home interior retail arm of Danube Group, the leading building material company in the Middle East.
The idea of Buildmart came out about 4 to 5 years ago. My father actually came up with this concept, and the reason why we started this off was when we actually shifted to our house in Marina. Even though we hired a designer, it became very, very difficult to match everything and get that perfect combination. What I mean by that is, for every kind of product, we had to go to a different shop. Wallpapers were from a different shop, curtains were from a different shop, flooring from a different shop. Getting all of that and somehow matching it and getting it all done together was a big challenge for us. And that's why we realized there's a huge gap in the market, and that's how Buildmart started off.
Today, the group offers more than 25,000 products and has over 5.5 million square feet of logistics and warehousing area.
Buildmart is basically broadly defined under 4 major departments. The first would be the lighting department, which has about 100 to 150 beautiful chandeliers and some other kind of lights. Besides that, we have our living, which is a broad department, has customized blinds, customized curtains, wallpaper, flooring. You have your sofas, bedrooms, recliners, mattresses. Everything that comes under the department would be living. Then besides that, we have the garden and outdoor, which has gazebos, garden furniture, kids play items and pergolas and the likes. And then finally, we have the bathroom department, which includes jacuzzis, shower rooms, spas, and also smaller accessories like shatafs and mixers. Then we also have our tiles department in that.
Danube Buildmart showrooms are present in major shopping malls across the region as well as in India.
We have a lot of expansion plans that we've been working on for the last 1 year, and we hopefully should be implementing this within this year. We will be expanding not only in the UAE but across the GCC, which would be including Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, Muscat. So that's a lot of excitement and a lot of good things to come in the future.
Giving customers a wide range of products to choose from, Buildmart also gives you the option of personalizing your interiors along with professionally trained help at their showrooms.
The biggest USP would definitely be that the kind of range we carry, the kind of product portfolio we have, it makes it very easy and very, very convenient for a consumer who's shopping for his house to come in and select the different pieces that would be required to make his house into a home. The second USP would be the value. What I mean by value is, if you see the pricing that we've kept over here, the kind of quality we provide and the service we provide is very, very reasonable. We want to make sure that good quality products are provided at a very affordable price. And the third USP, which is also one of very important USP of our store, is the free interior designing service we provide. What I mean by free interior designing service is that you can walk into my store, spend 1 or 2 days with my professional designers, make your 3D designs according to the kind of products he would guide you towards, and simply walk out without buying anything. And why we have that kind of services, because 95% of people that have walked into our store actually and who have made a design actually end up buying it. They really appreciate the whole concept of providing a design, because it makes their life easier, and then they can actually see what their room would look like before it's actually made. So that gives them a lot of guidance.
लाइफ में ज़्यादातर चीज़ों में माना जाता है द बिगर द बेटर, पर अब कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी भी हैं जहां साइज डज मैटर, लेकिन द स्मॉलर यू आर द बेटर यू आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी। अब ऐसी कुछ सारी चीज़ें हैं जो इस कैटेगरी में आती हैं। आप सोचिए मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, मैं आपको ये दिखाऊंगा व्हेन आई कम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक।